In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trust Bluetooth keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a Trust Bluetooth keyboard. You will be able to connect your keyboard to any device that has Bluetooth capabilities, so primarily a PC or even a smartphone or tablet. So all that you have to do is first set up Bluetooth on that specific device. Make sure that your Trust keyboard has enough batteries, so if needed, open the battery compartment and insert two AA batteries. Depending on the model, you might need more or less, so just double check, and once it has sufficient batteries loaded in, you will be able to pair it up. Go into the device, enable Bluetooth, so in this example here, it is a PC or a laptop running Windows 11, but of course you can do this on any other device that has Bluetooth capabilities. Access Bluetooth and devices, enable it. And now to actually pair the keyboard, look at the underside. You will see a toggle to power it on, so switch it into the on position, usually to the right when you look at it, and the connect option will be available. Once you give it 3 seconds, it should go into pairing mode. So start the connection, give it a few seconds to go into pairing mode, and it is going to search for nearby devices. With this done, the Trust keyboard will appear on the list of available devices. So when you choose Add Device on that PC, laptop, or anywhere that you enabled Bluetooth, you will find the Trust keyboard available. Just ensure that it is powered and has sufficient batteries here with pairing mode enabled. With all of this done, you can choose the Trust keyboard and it will remain connected until it runs out of batteries. You can use it fully wirelessly as long as you establish the Bluetooth connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Trust Bluetooth keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.